Good afternoon. This is Creating Cards with Sherry. I'm Sherry, and I'm so glad that you've chosen to join me today for my Simple Sunday video. Today we are going to look at one of the brand new kits that has come out. I noticed there's another one that came out recently I have to get a hold of, but today we're going to look at this one. If you are interested in getting this kit, you can shop at my store, Creating Cards with Sherry. .stampinup.net. Use the host code 42FPPEMS, and all you have to do is go to the menu and look for kits, and you'll be able to find it. Okay? All right. I also want to remind you that this is the next paper pumpkin coming out in August, or sometime this month it'll be coming out, but you have until August 10th to purchase it. So if you are interested in the sunflower kit, you definitely want to get it very quickly, because I think it's next week Wednesday. That's the last day. And so make sure that you get on. Again, you can go to the menu, go to kits, and go to paper pumpkin, and you should be fine. All right. Okay, today we are looking at the Best Remedy kit. So as you can guess by the Best Remedy, this is like a Get Well series. All right. Again, it comes with a sheet or an instruction sheet so that you can follow exactly what you need to do. There's 3 cards and there's 3 different sets and 3 of each one. And so we're just going to take a quick look at what we have here. This comes all packaged up, but I had already broken it out, so I'm just going to show you. They come with different cards, cardstock, and envelopes. That's one. This is another one. And there is this one. Okay? Comes with stamps, a stamp set, your Stampin' Spot. This is Starry Sky this time. And in your kit, you will get a block and some embellishments, and I believe some Stampin' Dimensionals, it looks like here. Yep. Okay. I'm going to put those aside right now. We have some glue dots. And then you have your punch outs. These are the little characters. And there's different tags to put your sentiments on. And just some layers that go with them. And some more punch outs. This is a heart. And another little swirly kind of layer. Okay, so that's what's all in the box. I am going to gather everything here. I already pulled out what I wanted to use to do, and then I will finish them all and put them on my blog. All right. I am going to do the mouse one. I think he's so cute. All right. Let me see. Here we go. This is what I'm looking for. Okay. It looks like we're going to stamp first. So I am going to, looks like we only have one thing to stamp in this card. So I'm going to put this right in here. Ice cream is the best remedy for this. I love ice cream. I don't know about you, but ice cream is probably my biggest weakness. Summertime is not good for me in that regard. Okay. We are going to flip this over because it's requiring 2 Stampin' Dimensionals. So I'm going to put those on right away. Oh, my finger got full of ink. There we go. Clean it up a little bit there. Alrighty. And then our mouse gets some dimensionals as well. One here and then one at the bottom. And looks like everything else gets glue dots. So we are going to take your pick tool and we're going to put some glue dots on here. One there. Need 6 of them, so one in the middle. Oh, the paper came off that one already. And in the corner down there. And then we want 4 glue dots on this thing, on this strip that's going in here. Well, I trust that you're all doing well today and you aren't sick. This card could be for you if you were, or if you are, I should say. This is the card base that I'm using. And it looks like we're ready to assemble. So I'm going to take the paper off these glue dots. And we're just going to center that right on the card the best we can. And then this one goes across, so I'm going to take my glue dots off of here. Or the papers, I should say, not the glue dots themselves. And not quite halfway, but about midway, I'm going to lay that down there. And then we can put the mouse on. He's holding a pint of ice cream, it looks like. My kind of mouse. All right. And then we'll put our message right on that. Ice cream is the best remedy. And there's the card. Wasn't that simple to do? That's what I like about these kits. They make them so that they're so easy to put together. You don't have to do a lot of stamping. Some of the kits are non-stamping, and you can get those too. Let's see. This also calls for some gems. So I'm going to put one here. And I'm going to take a smaller one, put it right there, and another small one. Nope. And we'll put it right there. There we go. That gives it a little more sparkle and shine, a little more zest, as you might want to say. And but anyway, these cards are really easy to make, and they're a lot of fun to do. So I am going to make the other ones, and I'll put them all on my blog, creatingcardswithsherry.blogspot.com, and you can read all about it and the details there. All right. Thank you so much for joining me this Sunday. I hope you have a fantastic day and a great finish to your weekend, and we will see you on Tickle Tuesday. Have a good day.